Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag technology tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to create virtual machine, that is a VM creation in VMware Workstation Pro 25H2. So we'll go through the step-by-step process to creating the VM inside the VMware Workstation 25H2. So in previous video we have seen about the installation of the VMware Workstation Pro 25H2. Now we want to create the VMs inside the workstation. So this is the first page. We have launched this one. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So launch the VMware Workstation Pro. So we have done this one. Next, choose the VM configuration type. So here you can go to through the file and you can create the new VM, or you can create a new VM. So just click here. Now, so there is a two options are there, typical and custom. So you want to create the VM on inside the VMware Workstation. So you can go through the both the options, and here you can customize all the step-by-step process, and typical already recommended as per the workstation 25H2. So just click on next. We need a this one ISO file. So for the ISO file, let me select my ISO file. So go to the browse, and there will be the ISO file. I'm going to take a ISO file of Ubuntu 24.04.3 live server, and you can choose as per your requirement. You can select Windows, Ubuntu, CentOS, and etc. which one you want to install. So here we can install the multiple VM. So Windows also with the Ubuntu also, CentOS also, as per your requirement you can select the VM. So now let me go to the next. So click on next. Here give the name of the VM, server 1, and I want to change the path. So I'm going to my D drive. So inside there, I'll create a new folder. So folder name, rename this folder. So this is the server 1. Okay. So I have selected the server 1. Click. So there is a D VMware, then server 1. So this path I'm going to install this. So default location can be changed on the at edit preferences. So click on next. So maximum disk size is 20 GB, and here is the two options are there: store virtual disk as a single file, or you can create with the multiple files. So I'm going through the default. Click on next. You can customize the configuration. This is the default configuration is there. If you want to customize, then you can click here and you can change as per your requirement. Okay, so there's a disk drive, network, USB, and sound card displays there. So all the things are there. So close this. Just you want to change the RAM, then you can drag and drop, and you can change the directory typing here. Processor is there, you can change as per your requirement. And you want to add anything else, so you can go through this one. So now close and click on finish. So automatic VM is started. Okay, so here I will try and install the Ubuntu server enter. So this is the latest version, LTS version for the Ubuntu 24.04.3 we are installing there. So we have done this step. We have selected this name of the virtual machine. We have done configuration disk capacity. We have done customize the hardware. I have already shown you, and power on the VM. We have done, and we have a installation process. So select English and go to the done option is there. Enter done. And if you want to change the IP address, then you can change or you can go through the DHCP. So enter done and wait for a few minutes. It will just locate location is being tested, mirror location. So done. Click on next. So this is the you are using the entire disk or you want to customize the configuration. You can do go and customize or leave it as same. Click on next. Done. Here all the details of the this one Ubuntu VG volume group and SDA path is there. So click on done. If you want to change, then you can change or go to the continue and give the name. So I'm giving server one. My server name is server one. Same name I'm giving. Username DPT I'm giving and password admin at the rate 123 admin at the rate 123. So click on done. Now we don't have the Ubuntu Pro, so just go with the continue. We want the OpenSSH server, so just click on space, so automatically it will be selected and with the tab button, go to the done and enter and directly go tab button and go to the done and enter and this is the installation process is started. When it will complete, I will just continue with this. When installation will complete, you will see this reboot now option is there. Okay. So installation completed, all the installation is done. Now we'll click on, we'll go through the reboot now. Just highlight the reboot now, then click on enter. Again, click on enter for the unmounting this. So now server is rebooting. So you will get all the details there, your IP address, your server name, and etc. So server login. So we will go through the login. So my login ID, login is DPT and password is admin at the rate 123. So we have logged in. Now sudo su. Go to the super user. Admin at the rate 123 is the password. So clear and check the IP address. So the IP address is 192.168. Here you can see 192.168.136.128. Now I am going to access through my SSH. So I will run the SSH on CMD. So SSH, my username is dpt at the rate 192.168.136.128. So click on enter. Yes. And give the password. So password is admin at the rate 123. While installing, we have given the password. So sudo user, same password. So here you check the IP address. So you can able to see 192.168.136.129. So we have done the installation. So installation is completed. So we have installed the virtual machine VM creation on the VMware Workstation Pro 25S2. So step by step process I have shown you on the all the process. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owner. This video made only for the educational and information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. So you can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.